Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatible hardware and power. Inspect the docking station label for output types and wattage. Make sure the dock can drive 2 displays. Next, check each monitor input, HDMI or DisplayPort, and the laptop's port, USB-C or Thunderbolt for alternate mode. Once done, gather cables, 1 HDMI or DP per monitor, plus the dock's power adapter. If the dock needs drivers or firmware, install them now. Doing this up front prevents display negotiation problems later. Now you connect and configure. Power the dock and plug the laptop into the host port. Make sure the system recognizes the dock before adding monitors. Attach monitor 1 to the dock's primary video output, then monitor 2 to the secondary output. Use adapters only if necessary, since passive adapters can limit resolution. Once both are physically connected, open your operating system display settings to choose Extend or Duplicate and to assign the primary monitor. Adjust resolution and scaling so text and windows appear correctly. Finish by optimizing and validating the setup. Verify each monitor runs at its native resolution and appropriate refresh rate. Change scaling to fix small or large text. If a monitor stays dark, update video and docking drivers, test a different cable or port, and try swapping monitors to isolate the fault. If problems persist, power cycle the dock. Unplug power and cables, wait 10 to 20 seconds, then reconnect. This often resets the dock's video negotiation and resolves the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.